Anyway, hey curious people. So, I'm on the way to the scrapyard. I did a little pickup, just removal of a little metal shed from a local school that needed it removing, just as a favour really. But it's aluminium, so I thought, right, well, let's get what little aluminium I've got that's for turning in at the moment sorted, and some irony alley, and then all of my low grade circuit boards. So you'll have seen last week my amazing board run to the amazing refiners that was just amazing in every way. And basically it's not worth me filling my car up with low grade boards. I get so many of them, and driving an hour and 15 minutes with a toll bridge, toll either way, wear and tear on the car and such like, just with my low grade boards. So my yard has very kindly said that they will take them as irony alley price, because they don't really deal in wee waste. So I'm actually really grateful for them for doing that. So that's pretty awesome for me, because it resolves that problem. And I also wouldn't want to do a whole car load of low grades for the refiners. They really want to deal in the good stuff. They do take low grade, but it's not ideal turning up with a whole car load of just low grade stuff, and it's their low as well. So anyway, let's just hope it's not too busy at the scrapyard, because then I've got to take my baby back to the garage for a little tune-up, little service. So yeah, hopefully I don't turn around the corner here and it's rammed. We shall see. Okay. Let's go to the scrapyard. Let's go see the pile. Although it's non-ferrous. Find out what it's weighing. What will it be paying? Let's go to the scrapyard, honey. Wait and see. And it's empty. Hurrah. Ooh. Look at this sheet grass. Yeah, that's fine. Thought someone might want to get behind me. Lead. Oh, not much copper today. Oh, I forgot to bring my batteries. Stupid. Do you like the look of that sheet grass? Some weight there. Oh. Look at that. Oh, that shouldn't be in there. That's about it really. It's really empty. A crumpled teapot. I think for me to nab anyway. Look. You know, I'd have had that off of there. Nice thick one. Look at this. Holy cheeky. Oh my god. Look at the girth on that. Sheesh. Bloody Nora. That's blown me away. What do we reckon this is from then? There's some writing on it. Wow. That is something else, isn't it? Are you going to need the scales? Shall I start loading up the scales?
I will need them just to weigh this bin.
Oh, fine. All right, no worries.
I'll open it then anyway.
No, that's all right. If you didn't need it, I just thought I'd get started. I'm blown away by that. I've got non-ferrous, so yeah. I might just go and turn around. So I've got aluminium and irony alley a little bit, and also all the wee boards that you said you'd take as irony alley. Yeah, so I'll just go and turn it around so it'll be easier. Hello. Right. Yeah, not bad, thanks. You?
Yeah, good, thanks, mate.
Good. I do e-waste pickups. It's all their old computers and stuff. But of course I take the good stuff to the refiners. That's where I make my money. This is like the byproduct of it.
Would you make a reasonable amount of money, or is it obviously enough to make a living, or is it?
It would be if I had the storage. I mean, I went on Friday and made £1,000. So, I mean, I do, but I do it because I've got my job. But what I'd like to do, if I had the storage and I could advertise more, I could pick up more, because there's just an abundance of e-waste. I was going to get a bigger workshop, and then of course when my sister passed away and I took on her kids, it just changed everything.
Sorry to hear that.
Oh, thank you. It was horrible and sudden and
not a nice
unexpected,
thing.
so yeah, that's it for the boards.
Is that all the irony alley? Or?
No, I've actually got that one, and I didn't know. Well, they're doing it as a for me. I didn't know if that was irony alley. I think the rest of that's aluminium, I think. Yeah. Oh no, hang on. I wasn't sure what you'd take the aerial as. I've got the big bracket off, but I couldn't get these rusted ones off. Oh, brilliant. Yeah, that's it then for irony alley. Yeah, I went to the refiners, but it's not worth me driving an hour and 15 minutes with a car full of low-grade boards.
Yeah.
And the toll.
AWA?
Yeah. Yeah, they're good over there.
Metal I message on, and then people say, oh no, someone's coming to collect it, and then the next day I get people coming back to me, oh they haven't come and collected it, they let me down, come and collect it.
Yeah, it's a cheek, isn't it? You feel like saying actually no. saying it's not worth me driving it over to a refiner to see what you take it as, and he said like Irony Alley. I mean, a lot of it is a bit bulkier like this. What do you think it would go as?
It goes as wee. But well, how much is it?
100 kilos.
I'll make a phone call. It might go a bit better, but I don't think I'll like that in the alley.
I'll be grateful for whatever you'll take it for, to be honest. I can't fill my car with low grade boards and take it all the way to Essex, so I take the good stuff over there, but it just fills my car up, basically. Now there were a couple of steel ones in there. They're still in the car, luckily. Yeah, the better grade ones are. I said I went with 171 kilos on Friday and got 1,000 quid for it, which was nice. Have you got somewhere I can tip it to get the IKEA bags back?
Yeah, I'll grab a bit. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Oh, who's getting married?
Tom.
Oh, that's nice. Right, thank you very much. I really appreciate you taking that thing as well. All right. Okay, so what did that little run weigh and what did it pay? So, aluminium, old rolled, 11 kilograms. A little bit more than I thought there, actually, because I thought more of that would have been Irony Alley. So that's good. And so Irony Alley, 101 kilograms. Now, I called up ahead to see whether they would take those low grade power boards and such, which obviously I'd cherry picked. And on the phone, they said, yeah, not a problem, it can go in Irony Alley. They don't really deal in the wee waste, but it can go in Irony Alley. So they'd take it for me, which was like a really big favour. But when I was there and it was all on the scales, and the sort of head of the business, the dad, came out, he wasn't so sure, actually, that they would take it, their buyers. So it left it as a bit ambiguous. So he's going to let me know whether it went through okay as Irony Alley. The lads thought it would be absolutely fine, but yeah, we're not 100% sure now. So he's going to let me know. If they can, great, I have an outlet for it, because as I said, it's not worth me driving all of those low grade boards all the way to the refiners. It's just not viable. So if the yard can't take it as something, I'm going to have a little think, because I don't think I could even really ship it, even at £40 a pallet, at that low price. I don't think it would be worth it for the refiners themselves. Anyway, we'll see what comes out of it. But anyway, 101 kilograms, and I had a few other actual Irony Alley bits in there as well. That wasn't all my boards. So that gave £9.90 on the aluminium. Hello. You come to say hello? Don't panic, it's just the wind, dear me. And £30.30 on the Irony Alley. So that gave me a total of £40.20. Now, yeah, I mean, that's great, because I needed rid of that stuff. So I really don't want to have to go back to the stage where I have to totally depopulate, because it's really time consuming and I don't really have that time anymore. But obviously if they find out they can't take that, I might have to go back to doing that. Or I might try and sell the boards on eBay for any other micro scrappers that can't get their hands on that stuff that would like to. Perhaps I'll go down that route, actually. Facebook Marketplace or that, we'll see. And of course I do cherry pick the nice copper inductors, the copper toroids off there. So yeah, anyway, that's £40.20, so that's nice. So I can add that on to my other board run, and actually that tips it over to technically mean I've made £1,000 this week. Boom. Very nice too. So yeah, I like it. Good-o. Hey curious people, it's that time again. I've got something to show you. So I've got a little treat for myself, actually. Comes in the form of a little package. So we've got a little high-vis vest, but wait. Ta-da! The best bit about said vest is Everyday Solers YouTube. Not only that, not sure I can talk that much. You see it on the back there? Also, ta-da! So I ordered this on Amazon. It cost me like £7, and I thought, brilliant. And I was going to get a yellow one. I thought, I'm not going to be cliche and be the woman that gets the pink high-vis vest. And then I looked at them, and the pink one just looked better. So I thought, oh, okay, fine. I'll go with the cliche, and I'll get the pink high-vis vest. Now the trouble is, it may be pink, so you think, yeah, that's feminine. Well, I went with. They only come obviously in small, large, extra large, XL, and so on. So I went with what I thought would fit, forgetting that actually they make these for men. So actually it's a bit snug because women have different features to men. So yeah, so I'll just be leaving it loose, I think. But yeah, it'll do the job, and when I'm at the scrapyard, people can see me, and you can see the little Everyday Solers bit on there. So that was awesome. And then I've just realised that I'm actually also wearing the top that Laura from Tinkering Twins and their mum got me. So yeah, that's cool. And it's very unironed. And this is a spur of the moment video, which is, you know, my hair could do with a bit of wash, but the really important thing is showing off the vest. So what do you think? Or do I really want to know what you think? I might get savagely brutalised in the comment section. Anyway, you saw it here, folks. Yeah, hi Viz. Woo. So you can see in obviously the background, I've got my beautiful sunflowers growing. Children, we've been having a little competition here. Some lovely little snapdragons, or antirrhinums, as some of you may know them, but I do like them. Not particularly scented though, unfortunately. Shame. And another big splash in the pond. What's occurring at the pond? Don't know. Looks okay to me. Beautiful, isn't it? You know me, I love the garden. I definitely do love the garden. And look how beautiful the wisteria looks over the chicken run. Can you see? Can you see that from here? Let's see. Yeah, look. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll tell you what, actually, from over here, we'll get to some scrapping in a minute. Ah, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Don't you think? So there we go. Little tour. Some flowers that need doing. It's so bright out here, so sunglasses typically need to stay on. Squinty. We'll keep those on. But my Japanese maple's doing nicely. Pretty. I love them. I love them. I brought a couple out ready. Placing them. This bed is the worst, unfortunately. The cats use it as a litter tray. This one, it's a bit of a problem. Ooh. I think I approve. But anyway, shall we get back to the good stuff? Okay, so why don't we just scrap out some of these skip finds that I got last week and see what goodies we get. Now, for once, these are looking... Oh, seriously? The block's got to be brass, surely. Right. I love these. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's a thing of beauty, isn't it? You know what, it's not releasing though. There we go. Gotta love fuse boards. Gosh, I could actually wear that. I could actually make that into a nice little copper bracelet. Tempting. Yes, I'll be 5 minutes. I'm just tidying up. Oh dear. I'll be 5 minutes, okay? Right. What's holding that one in? I mean, that was very close, little fella. Very close indeed. And although, you know, I adore all my plants and stuff. Oh, you got hair on you. Oh, quick, can we get it without? You know, I don't want to crush you to death. So, you can go. Hello. Yeah. This could be long, couldn't it? Long and slow. I'll put you down by the ivy. How about that? Easy does it. There we go. Goo! What I really want to know is that brass? It looks it. Yes. So the screws aren't, but no surprise, this is solid. Yum, look at this. I can't believe this was just dumped in a skip. People amaze me. They do, they amaze me. And not in a good way. Okay, well that one's being awkward, so I'm just gonna give it a little... Oh, that's so thick. Give it a little encouragement. There we go. Oh, yum. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And this will then just go in the strip bin. The stripper bin. Oh, it sounds like a low class establishment. The stripper bin. Okie dokie. So, I'm not sure why this one's being stubborn. really like this crimped copper here. This is really nice. Just feel like there's scope there. This bit's a bit rough, but yeah. Okay, so nice bit of copper. Yummy. Just to show. As if there was ever any doubt, huh? I like. Now, what the devil is going on with this thing here? Not entirely sure, being that I'm not an electrician, why this won't release here. Probably some sort of mechanism there. I can't figure it out what it is. Thank you. Right. Yum. That was the culprit. There. Gotta love those switches. Okay. Nice earth wire. Okay, and then let's see what this bar's made of. Yeah. Okay. So then it's just this one end cap here, because it can clearly go all the way along when needed. There we go. Ooh, look at that. Brassy goodness. And that's it. Just plastic. That's brass. This is copper. And that's a annoying, very, very, very annoying screw. Oh, got my stomach. Ooh, that's gonna be either a blood blister or a bruise. Let me just have a look. Oh gee, I always forget that when I'm forcefully doing something like this, that they're quite long, and they've got to go somewhere, and it's always like, oh, because my stomach's not this thin, funnily enough, guys. Yeah. So, ouchie. I might show you that bruise, or not. I'm not in the habit of getting my tummy out. Okay, I'm not sure I can be bothered to waste time on that right now. But anyway, yummy, yummy, and lots of yummy. Oh. I just got caught in a downpour on the school run, but I just had this dropped off by a lovely lady. It's a Bigland Biz Pro. So, yeah, well, anyway, we like the colour, don't we? If I have time, I'll just open her up to show you what sort of goodies we've got in there. Hoping for a proper heat sink. Yeah, as you can tell, it's actually a different day. Got called back in yesterday. Right, okay. Where was I? Oh my gosh, it's warm in here. I'm actually going to open the door. Whew. Even though it's rainy, stormy and wet, it is hot. As long as the blue tits don't mind, they're nesting in the box above my shed. I'm going to call them scrapper tits, because they're, oh no, maybe I won't. No, maybe I won't call them that. the scrappy blue scrappy babies, I don't know. But yeah, they're the little new additions. Well, that insulation just came off easily. Keeping this, I can keep that when I do my shed electrics. The reason I'm not going to keep this one is I really don't like reusing. You saw how wet these were when I got them out of the skip. I don't like reusing any electronic components that have been soaking wet. So this bit I won't use, but this bit, there's nothing wrong with this at all. That's perfectly usable. So, and I do actually have some fronts somewhere, so that's brilliant. Happy days. Right, so I'm not entirely sure how easy they are to actually crack open, but we'll see. I don't think that will come out anymore. Oh, maybe it will, actually. It's going to go the other way. No, it's just going down in. Can I push it all the way in to get some leverage here? Perhaps. Let's try that with this one as well. Okie dokie. Yeah, look at this. This is awesome. Okie dokie. Bum 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 bum. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Okay, so broken into it, and we've got these nice coppery bits here. There's got to be silver contact somewhere. Thought they'd be bigger, to be honest. Okay, so I busted open the circuit breaker. We went from this to this, and obviously in your fuse board, well, call it a fuse board because you obviously used to change fuses. You've got the trip switches, the circuit breaker, where you can literally break the circuit and it will stop you blowing a fuse, blowing all your electrics, and basically you'll trip your electric. So inside this, you've got this coil, and then all of these. Now, I don't know. Oh, so yeah, okay, so you've got some copper in there, and that was in the little one. Now, what do I say that? Hang on a minute, I'm not liking what that looks like on the side. So there's a little silver contact here. That's the only one inside. I was hoping for better things, but I'm not liking the colour on the edge. What the deuce? No, that can't be right. There's something fishy going on here, folks. Oh, you son of a gun. It's not copper. I don't believe it. I do not believe it. Like Victor Meldrew would say. Well, that is a copper plating for sure. But what about this bit? Pretty hard to tell in the light, but that okay, so this bit's copper at least. And this bit that looks more like copper than that bit isn't. Wow. Wow. I'm disappointed, I have to say, actually. Really disappointed. Oh my gosh. It's all magnetic. Bit grim. I do wonder though whether these are just cheap ones. They can't all be like that inside, surely. What was the make on these? Hager. I don't know anything about electronics, so that could be a really good brand. Let's get into this big one. This is the last thing. And of course, those who actually know what they're looking at here could probably give a much better explanation and inform us all on how little I know about this subject. I don't pretend to know what I'm talking about. I just like to see what's inside things. So, yeah, that could be... Let's just do it this way again. Oh no, I muddled them up with the rest. Oh, a rookie mistake. Diamond blast. Ah, there's a nice big silver contact in this one. Hello. Okay, these two pads, they're a nice big silver contacts, so that's awesome. Don't know why they weren't on the other one, but yeah, these look very different. Okay, there we go. This is much better. That's what I was hoping to see. This is what I would expect from a circuit breaker, just because of the nature of them. But this is obviously one of the bigger, the one that will do the whole of one floor, I believe. That's nice. Oh look, that's the bit, that's the broken. Oh good, this whole thing is copper. That's more like it. Interesting that the little one isn't the same. Okay, so there's the big one out. Oh, he looks happy, doesn't he? Oh, what a happy little silver contact we got there. So, at least this is real copper, and we've got a silver contact there. So, that won't be a brass. screw though, sadly. So yeah, anyway, that's some of the goodies inside those. Hi Brida! So I like these. Not such a fan of these, but you can see that it is real copper plating. It's just, I don't know, it's just weird. Oh, here we go. This must have fallen out the small one. Unless, no wait, that might have been. I'm going to do another one now. Well, let's do the other side to see whether we get. Now this would make more sense if that came out of the small ones. So there was actually something in there. Hello, Benny. You okay? Have a good day. Good. And this is messy.
I really like this one.
Oh, it's cool, isn't it? They're just to play with. I got those in my scrap. Yeah, they're like gaming guitars. I've had them hanging in here for a while, but Ivy.
I like this one much more.
Yeah, it's colourful, isn't it? See,
I really. What's this guitar say?
it says Guitar Hero. That's my
I want to
newest addition to the household.
It looks
Yeah, you can play with that.
awesome.
That's fine. It looks awesome. He's 3. He's found my Guitar Hero guitars that were hanging up there.
Work.
It doesn't work. It is broken. It is just for playing with, I'm afraid. Yesterday they had, it was like a little office. They had office phones, mobile phones, toy cameras, all of this. I'm like, hours of fun with Everyday Solders bits and pieces, huh? Anyway, I shall be going to cook dinner momentarily.
And it looks.
Remember, Benny, can't come near here. Good boy. Don't want bits flying anywhere. Right. He's gone, so.
There's no more cards.
No, there's only 2.
Yeah,
I'm sure I'll come across more one day, but for now I've only got 2. My son's just come and noticed that massive keyboard and monitor. Bit different to what you're used to, isn't it?
Bigger than my head.
Certainly is bigger than your head. Boing. Yeah, so that single plate, I can see it there. So they were both in this one then. Just got to get to it. Okay, a bit more of the innards. What you can see is click on, click off, and it pivots down for on, and then it will spring back up and break the circuit for off. Now that, yummy, is a thing of beauty. But unbelievably, the spring isn't copper. But yeah, so this is what we want. This is what I'm collecting out of those. Still can't quite believe how bad the small one was. And the kids want
Mummy,
me to come in. I'm coming. I'm just saying goodbye to Everyday Solers. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So guys, thanks for watching. A few bits and pieces in this one. I hope I've shown you. Hopefully in next week's video I might open up another small one. Or actually off camera I'll open up another small one and see if we've got anything better. But yeah, I am loving these, which is nice. So that's something, and of course all that lovely cordage. You can't forget. I mean, it's nice to pick it up just for that, if nothing else. I definitely want to try and make this into something as well. I'm going to try to figure out how I can connect these 2 bits. I've got an idea, and how to smooth it off. I think I'm going to. No, I won't say. But yeah, I think that looks nice. I can hear birds on top of the shed. So, oh, or something else. What the heck is that? Let's see. Better not be my cat after the birds. Ooh, that little jackdaw's scared, bless it. It's getting moody. Can you hear it? I hear thunder, I hear thunder, hug don't you. But yeah, I've been having some moodiness in the weather. Can you hear? Can you listen? Can you hear my baby blue tits? Cute, huh? Come on, let's hear one more bit of thunder, then I shall go.
And also no going on the slide, there's nothing.
No? Okay. Fine. Well, it's really raining. Oh boy. It's wet. It's wet. It's really, really wet. Rain, baby, rain! Okay, so now the rain has started. I'll open up that PC just to show you what's inside next week. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the Hy-Vee's vest. Can't wait to show off that bad boy. Ah, yes. Fuses. Oh, I had a purpose for these. I didn't tell anyone about, but a few are in the know. Coming soon. Watch this space. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. Bye.